Please be mindful. Don't rush into this. You're coming this far. You're going to invest heavily into the process. Do some talking. Try to reach out to people through LinkedIn and see and take their point of view. Is this the right move to do or not? Alright, my next question is, बहुत बार मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि क्या मैं वर्क एक्सपीरियंस लेके आऊँ ग्रेजुएशन करने के बाद, बैचलर्स करने के बाद, या मैं डायरेक्टली आ जाऊँ जर्मनी? बिकॉज इवेंचुअली, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, नाउ दैट आई हैव गॉन सो मच थ्रू आउट जर्मनी, आई हैव मेट डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल एंड आई हैव गॉट अ मिक्स्ड रिएक्शन ऑलवेज. ठीक है, तो जो बच्चा बैचलर्स करके आके डायरेक्ट मास्टर्स कर रहा है, ऑफ कोर्स ही इज डिफेंडिंग द पॉइंट कि नहीं नहीं कर लूंगा मैं, राइट? बट रियलिटी शायद से हमें भी पता है कि जब वो जॉब मांगने जाता है, पीपल नीड एक्सपीरियंस पीपल, राइट? आई थिंक दैट्स समथिंग व्हिच एम्प्लॉयर्स आर एक्चुअली लुकिंग फॉर. बट अगेन वी कैन always debate this, right? कि depend करता है कौन से area है क्या है. But what's your point of view? I just want to know.
So I can only speak from my point of view, which is that I did not have any experience before coming for my masters. Yeah, I am the one. I am the one that will defend it.
She's defending.
But no, I am not defending it. I am just gonna say that it depends on obviously sector to sector. तुम कौन से subject में apply कर रहे हो, तुम किधर apply कर रहे हो, तुम्हें exactly कौन सा, basically what market you are looking for basically.
Okay.
So my experience was that मेरा bachelor's biotech में, उसके बाद मैं masters यहाँ पे pharmaceutical में कर रही हूँ. So बैचलर्स में मेरा थ्योरी काफी अच्छा हो गया बिकॉज आई हैड लैब्स एंड एवरीथिंग, वो सब तो था ही. बट यहाँ पे आके अच्छी बात यह है कि यहाँ पे बहुत रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड कोर्सेज है. सो इवन इफ यू डोंट हैव एक्सपीरियंस, वो एक्चुअली काफी एक्सपीरियंस दे देते हैं, विच वाज न्यू फॉर मी इन द बिगिनिंग, विच इज ऑब्वियसली अ गुड थिंग. सो इट टर्न आउट बी वेरी वेरी गुड थिंग कि मेरे को एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है, विच गिव्स यू लाइक एन एक्सपीरियंस, लाइक बिकॉज इवन अगर मुझे एक्सपीरियंस मिलता भी इंडिया में, इट्स ऑलवेज गोना बी अ बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंडिया का सेफ्टी लेवल्स ऑफ लैब्स एंड यहाँ का लैब. सो इट्स ऑलवेज गोना बी लाइक अ वेरी बिग डिफरेंस ऑफ हाउ एक्चुअली लाइक प्रैक्टिकल्स, लाइक practical applications are in India versus in Germany.
I still feel कि experience लेके आना चाहिए.
I'm saying हाँ, experience लेके आना चाहिए. I'm not gonna say कि नहीं लेके आना चाहिए. For my aspect की like मैं नहीं लेके आई क्योंकि I passed out at the very end of COVID.
Okay. In conclusion, you don't feel कि अरे यार काम करके आए होती 1-2 साल, थोड़ा इंडस्ट्री का एक्सपोजर होता, पढ़ाई आसान होती, मे बी जॉब मिलना आसान होता है यहाँ पर, ऐसा है?
हाँ, I think हो सकता था obviously,
Okay.
like, but the thing is I cannot dwell on that, to be honest. I have to make do with what I have now, right?
Right, that's what I'm asking. Currently,
So
where
currently,
is your head right now?
I don't think I'm facing many difficulties as of yet because since it is a research based field, nobody gives like very advanced jobs to like beginners basically.
Right, okay, fair
Right.
enough.
So there's always going to be a learning curve.
Yeah, for sure.
Everything, it's going to be a learning curve. हम लोग उसी के लिए तो आए हैं यहाँ पे. Right. So
Isha, I have one
एक minute.
different point of view.
oh,
Coming from a management background, now I'm doing my international MBA here in Germany. I have a prior experience of 4 years in India, where I completed my bachelor's, got straight into a multinational company, Reliance Industries, we all know about it, and got some experience. My head was clear that I want to learn in a company, see how people work, what is the corporate culture, learn something about management, then take a career break, do my MBA, then get back to work again.
Right.
So I'll give you one instance. Having experience of 4 years, might not be 4 years, even if it is 1 year, 2 years, that is good enough because you work with people, right? Then you do your management course. So right now when I'm doing my part-time job as well, and I'm working here with Germans, so it does not restricts me कि यार ये काम करूँ या नहीं करूँ. So I've worked with people back in India.
Yeah, sure.
So it gives me a clear-cut idea. Okay, this is how things function. It is how it has functioned in India. Similarly, it is functioning in Germany. Right. So having experience is definitely good in my point of view. Right. So whether it is internship, it is doing project jobs somewhere, something that will give you a good experience. If not for Germany, but definitely for your future course of action in anywhere you go. That is my point of view.
It does give you a layer of safety net, a security and a confidence to be able to deal with any sort of situations which is going to come your way. You want to add any point?
Like before coming here, I also have a 4-5 years of work experience in stock market and finance banking field. I think so I got a working student job here in like 4 months when I came, and it's all because of my experience in India, because I have the experience and that really helped me to get a job. When I went for the interview and like they told what you have done, so I was just like explaining about my experience, and they told, yeah, we know that you are very experienced, we have seen your CV and we know you have a good amount of experience. And that was just like, after that I felt so good and confident in the interview, like okay, they have went through my CV and they know like I have worked in India for the similar job and like I can do it here also. I think so that boosted my confidence in the interview also when they told this word. And Germans are also like analyzing your CVs, like okay, what he has done in India, like that. I got to learn from that experience. So I think so, yeah, experiences matter, but like as he also said, it doesn't matter you have 5 years, 6 years experience or 1 year experience. I think so minimum 1 or 2 years is important, because also work experience like give you the more practical experience, and here when you are coming, it can help you to decide your course. course. You will learn that okay, I'm good in this thing. I should like select this course. Like for example, I'm good in marketing. I should go for marketing. In marketing field, I'm good in social media. Some will say I'm good in like website SEO marketing, so I will go in that field. So work experience give you that clarity also. It can help you to decide your module and also the course, and also it can help you to get a job here in Germany as well. So it's very much important from my point of view. And even though if you don't have any work experience, the first thing you should do here, you're coming here and you should find an internship. Because I have seen Germans, they really value a lot about internship. It's hard to get a working student job if you don't have experience. Then for internship you can get it, I think so, when you're in third semester, fourth semester. But I've seen a lot of like, even though if I have to now, I'm from finance background, if I have to move from data science, then it's not easy because like they are asking internship for the data science part, and they are telling okay, we think we need something that show you have worked on data science skills. So that is important. If you don't have any experience, you first thing is you should come here and find an internship as soon as possible. Yeah.
Right. I just want to play a devil's advocate for a bit for what you said, right? Having zero work experience and coming to Germany, honestly, I have met people who are very hungry and they want to learn, okay? And the fact that they don't have a work experience, they are more hungrier than the people who have experience. I have met such category of people as well. So if you have the attitude to be able to showcase to an employer that yes, you are an employable person with all the right skills required as per the job description, then you can definitely challenge people with experience. Of course, not challenging literally, but
You can work on par with them.
yeah, exactly. Portray that you are somebody who can take up challenges. I'm not asking that you are going to do the heavy lifting what these guys might do, okay? But mostly I've seen people with zero experience. They always look for a entry level jobs, whereas people with work experience will never look for an entry level job. And these guys with work experience will never enter your lane, and vice versa. They don't want to come and take your lower level jobs with low salary levels, because there are levels to the hierarchy in the companies, right? So if you are somebody who's thinking to study abroad, whether be it Germany or any country, please be mindful and don't rush into this, okay? Because you're coming this far, you're going to invest heavily into the process and monetarily as well. So please be mindful and do some talking. Try to reach out to people through LinkedIn and see and take their point of view. Is this the right move to do or not? Because again, as a fresher, studies are not just the only point that you have to take care of, but you also have to showcase the talent to the employers. Given there are external factors impacting, which is currently the inflation in Germany or wars going on in the world, these things do matter. This is what we just wanted to share with people who are experienced and non-experienced. But my bottom line is don't rush into this. Take your time, be clear. Agar ye karna hai, go for it, and make sure that you are ready for any sort of challenge that's going to come.
Yeah,
your
there
way.
is definitely something to be said for exposure to get accustomed to what exactly that you want to get into. You have to actually make up your mind with a definitive answer of what you actually want to get into, because there are lots of options available for everything.
Right.
And not knowing where to look or how to look for things, that will make your life quintessentially very very difficult. So you should at least make sure that you know कि तुम्हें क्या करना है exactly, and talk to people कि तुम्हें that are doing the things that you want to get in. That's why LinkedIn is a very good opportunity to connect with people who are doing what you want to do in your future and ask them how they got there and their experiences.
Okay.